Welcome on my YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to show you which results could be achieved by using synthetic dataset or dataset with very less correlation. Here, results of logistic regressions with accuracy only 0.52, which is slightly better than simply flipping a coin. Dataset I found on Kaggle, which is Work from Anywhere Seller Insights 2024. Download dataset as zip. I created folder for my project as well as a Jupyter notebook. First of all, import pandas as PD. Load CSV file to data frame by using pandas and execute the cell. Dataframe.info will provide in-depth look into this data frame, which has only 500 entries and total 14 columns. None of column has missing value, which is quite rare with datasets, but considering that this dataset is synthetic, this is much expected. Next step is to clean and standardize column names. Because column titles have spaces between words, numbers. For that, df.columns string to strip, which will remove any leading or trailing whitespace characters. All words will be only in lowercase, with all spaces replaced by underscores. Removed all non-word characters, removed all digits, remove all trailing underscores, replace multiple underscores with single underscore, and remove leading and trailing underscores. It will be saved in a new CSV file named clean column salary data CSV. That new CSV file will be loaded again via read CSV and displayed head, which is only top 5 lines. Now all column titles from small letter, no spaces in between, and no numbers. Now let's take a deeper look into all columns in this data set by printing column name, which is company, and job title with value counts for it. First two columns for company with total 10 companies with corresponding number of employees. Second is job title with 6 options only. In industry column, only 6 options. Location is 7 options. Employment type, it is contract, part-time, full-time, and internship with 4 levels in experience level. Remote flexibility with 3 options, which is remote, hybrid, and on-site. Annual salary has 500 unique entries and only 5 different currencies. Years of experience with 144 unique entries, and job satisfaction score is ranging from 1 till 10. Last 3 columns, it is tech stack, perks that provided by company, and last promotion year. In this dataset, column currency does not make any sense because person working in software engineer for Amazon in San Francisco full-time cannot get 91,000 rupees, which is slightly more than $1,000. So this currency column should be dropped. For that, dataframe.drop column currency, execute the cell, and display data frame without currency. For one-hot encoding, I have selected columns for company, job title, industry, location, employment type, experience level, remote flexibility, tech stack, and perks, which is representing all columns with non-numerical values. pd.getDummies for that columns, and that will be saved in one-hot encoded salary data.csv. Execute cell. Only salary, annual, years of experience, job satisfaction score, and last promotion years ago displayed as numbers. Rest are columns displayed either false or true. To change false or true to 0 and 1, need to use lambda and save that into new CSV file, which is prepared salary data. First 4 columns without any changes. Rest of columns either 1 or 0 displayed. For machine learning, import NumPy, sklearn for train test splits, linear regression, random forest regressor, XGBRegressor, and different metrics to evaluate the result. First of all, load dataset, which is prepared salary data.csv. Column salary annual will be dropped because models will try to evaluate and figure out which salary should be for each employee in this synthetic dataset. All data will be divided into train and test data. with ratio 80:20. Models will be initiated for linear regression, random forest, and XGBoost. Models will be trained and evaluated, and print statement will be displayed. Linear regression results. Model predictions are off by about 52,000, which is extremely high error, considering that average salary is 115,000 in the dataset, and error is over 45%. Random forest results are slightly better, but still it gives error of $50,000. If someone in this dataset is earning $120,000, model might predict values starting from $70,000 to $170,000. XGBoost results are the worst out of all of it, with models' prediction are off by about $55,500. Which is nearly half of the average salary in this dataset. So results are very bad. And last, let's check the correlation matrix. First of all, import Seaborn and Matplotlib. cns.heatmap title will be correlation matrix and plt.show. This correlation matrix shows that there is hardly any correlation in the dataset. So as a result, numbers are off by 50 to 55,000, which is in real life gonna be non-acceptable error. Thank you for watching my video. Please consider subscribing. Write your comments